Hi guys, this video is going to show you how to use Desmos graphing calculator to do the line of best fit. Okay, so first you're going to pull up the Desmos graphing calculator. So do this just by looking for Desmos in your math folder here. If you notice, you pull it up. It's actually going to be Desmos graphing calculator. So click on that. Okay, from here you can see the calculator. So we're going to start by clicking the plus sign. And we're actually going to enter a table first, okay? And this will allow us to put our values in. So the example that we have in our notes on 35A, I'm actually going to do them here again. I'm going to put some x values in of -4, and then we had -2, okay, 0, and 3, okay? And our corresponding y values were 5, 4, 3, and 1.5. Okay, now you can use this table for just reuse it for all of the examples in the homework. Okay, the second thing that you're going to do is right here at number 2, we're actually going to do plus, and we're going to do an f of x expression. Okay, this is where we actually say we want to see what the equation is. Okay, and let me get rid of that one there. So you just got the second one. Okay, to do that, you now want to do, this is a little tricky, you're going to type in y, and then you're going to do an _1. If I do _1, it actually makes a subscript, okay? I hit escape, and that makes it go back up again. So y sub 1, and then I'm going to do shift, and then it makes a tilde. So tilde, okay? And then I've got my m, and then I'm going to have an x, and then I'm going to do another subscript. So I'm going to do an _, and that's going to give me my 1. All right, I'm going to escape again, okay, and then say plus b, okay. So I want to do my plus b. Okay, so if you notice, now I've got that function in there, and you can see right here it's telling me my slope, so it's using the data right here, okay, and it tells me my slope is -0.5 and my y-intercept is b. Okay, so very similar to the graphing calculator. Instead of having to go to stat and edit and then go to stat, okay, we're just using Desmos. So if, for instance, I decided to do the first problem in the homework. The first problem in the homework has this company running a sale on a study Salesforce. So we're on 35B. If I put the data in for that, I would have a 6 and a 4 and an 8, okay, and a 5.5. Okay, so again, this just goes with 35B. All right, I can add more values. I can put in a 3, a 7, a 2.5, okay, and then I have my annual sales. So in thousands would be, and I'm just copying from the homework data. So I've got 35 and 51, 42, okay, 33, okay, 50, and 30. Okay, so I'm kind of doing number 1 for you in the homework. Okay, if you notice, I put the data in, the line of best fit for that data. The slope here is 2.76, but we're going to round it to 2.8, and the y-intercept would be at 28.3. So if you don't have a graphing calculator, you are welcome to try to use Desmos and set it up. If you have any questions, let me know.